will read. Yeah, we will take up. I will tell you the items. You please read. Please
Okay,
read
sir.
what is amortization.
Sir, from
Are you getting on the screen or not?
No, sir.
No.
no, sir.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Okay.
Now you are getting it. Please see
Yes, sir.
amortization. Yeah. Please read. Are you seeing on the screen?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Amortization.
Amortization is a payment of principal and interest components of a loan over a period of time. Certain category of expenses or charges are also amortized over a period of time.
Then read anywhere banking.
Shall I, sir?
Anywhere bank.
Let her read 5 items, then you can read 5 items. Yeah. Refers to
Anywhere banking refers to banking not only by ATMs, tele banking, and internet banking, but also to a core banking solutions brought in by banks where customer can deposit his money, checks, and also withdraw money from any branch connected with the system. All major banks in India have brought in core banking in their operations to make banking truly anywhere banking.
yeah. Good. What is this? AQB? I don't know. Please read. Average.
Yes. Average quarterly balance is a sum of the end of the day balances in the quarter divided by total number of days in the quarter.
Okay. Please read bank assurance.
Bank assurance refers to a distribution of insurance products and the insurance policies of insurance companies, which may be life policies or non-life policies like home insurance, car insurance, medi policies, and others by banks as corporate agents through their branches located in different parts of country by charging a fee.
Very good. 1 minute. Now please read this one, bank draft.
Yes. An instrument issued by one branch of the bank on another branch of the bank containing an order to pay the certain sum on demand to the person named on the draft. It is used to transfer funds and to settle outstanding balances between banks or to provide a customer with the funds payable at the bank in a different location. Bank drafts are valid for certain period, generally for 3 months, as indicated over a face of draft.
Very good. Now, Mr. What is his name? Ballad. Kashinath. Kashinath, please read banker's check.
It means a check issued by a branch of a bank against consideration received. Banker check are valid for a certain period as indicated on the face of the check. In the parenthesis, also called as pay order. Okay.
Yeah. What is banking ombudsman? Good question. Please read.
Yes, the banking ombudsman is the authority to look into the complaints against banks in the main areas of collection of checks or bills, issue of demand drafts, non-adherence to the prescribed hours of working, failure to honor guarantee or letter of credit commitments, operations in deposit accounts, and also in the areas of loans and advances where banks flout directions or instructions of RBI. This scheme was announced in 1995 and is functioning with the new guidelines from 2007. This scheme covers all scheduled banks, the RRBs, and cooperative banks.
Very good. Now, what is this? Banker's lien. Please read this.
So banker's lien is a special right of a lien exercised by the bankers who can retain goods billed to them as a security for general balance of account. Bankers can have this right in the absence of a contract to the contrary.
Good. This one is slightly tough, but still read. Basel 2. The Committee
on Banking Regulations and Supervisory Practices, popularly known as Basel Committee, submitted its revised version of norms in June 2004. Under the revised accord, the capital requirement is to be calculated for credit, market, and operational risks. The minimum requirement continues to be 8% of capital fund. Tier 1 and Tier 2 capital. Tier 2 shall continue to be not more than 100% of Tier 1 capital.
Actually, this is Basel 2, but now India is under Basel 3. According to that, 9% is what is the banks are supposed to maintain. Now, please read bouncing of check.
Bouncing of a check. So where an account does not have sufficient balance to honor the check issued by the customer, the check is returned by the bank with the reason funds insufficient or exceeds arrangement. This is known as bouncing of a check.
This one, last one. Business of banking. Please read, tell me.
Accepting deposits, borrowing money, lending money, investing, dealing in bills, dealing in foreign exchange, hiring lockers, opening safe custody accounts, issuing letters of credit, traveler checks, doing mutual fund business, insurance businesses, acting as trustee or doing any other business which central government may notify in the official gazette.
This is the long definition, but normally I advise candidates to answer what is banking means. Banking means accepting deposits from the public and making advances. That will do. Later on, they will ask you, what are the other services banks do? Then you can tell about bank assurance, mutual fund products, hiring of lockers, etc. Very good. Thank you. Now I will stop this. Now or Mr. Kabilan will read 5 items before our going for this. Kabilan, please read certificate of deposit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Certificate of deposit. 1 minute. Let me make it
Certificate
small.
of deposits
Ah.
are negotiable receipts in bearer form, which can be freely traded among investors. This is also a money market instrument issued for a period ranging from 7 days to 1 year. The minimum deposit amount is rupees 1 lakh and they are transferable by endorsement and delivery.
The only problem in this case, it is not like fixed deposit. Fixed deposit is not transferable. But in fixed deposit, there is no need for stamp duty. Whereas in the case of certificate of deposit, we have to, the bank which is issuing it has to pay stamp duty. Very good. Kabilan, please read collecting banker.
Yes, sir. Also called receiving banker, who collects on instruments like a check, draft, or a bill of exchange lodged with himself for the credit of his customer's account.
Yeah. Now, cooperative bank.
An association of persons who collectively own and operate a bank for the benefit of customers, like Saraswat Cooperative Bank or Abhyudaya Cooperative Bank and other such banks.
Very good. Cooperative society.
When an association of persons collectively own and operate a unit for the benefit of those using the services like Apna Bazar Cooperative Society or Sahakar Bandar or a cooperative housing society.
Very good. Last one. This one. Core banking solution.
Core banking solution is a buzzword in Indian banking at present, where the branches of the bank are connected to a central host and the customers of connected branches can do banking at any branch with core banking facilities.
Very good. Thank you. So now I will stop this recording. Yeah.